Hello YouTube, hello you lovely people. Welcome to Raj RideStories. This is Raj, your host. Today I'm back with another video which is going to be an interesting one. Provided if you're someone who looks to always add some modification or accessories onto your motorcycle, and in this video we are going to look at a new modification what I did on my 390 Adventure. The modification what I did on my 390 Adventure is adding a fender. This is a fender from the Polisport. I've been actually looking out to do this modification from quite some time. Finally I thought the Polisport is the one which goes well with the 390 Adventure, and in fact I've seen the one got installed on a couple of my friends circle, so it really adds lot of look to the bike. So in this video I'm going to talk about the fender. From where did I buy it, from where I got the installation done, what are the changes which might undergo as part of this installation, what are the benefits of it, is it really going to add more value to it or not. So these are the things which I'm going to discuss in today's video, and if you are someone who are interested to get this kind of fender on the 390 Adventure, I think definitely you should watch this video till the end. And if in case you are new to this channel and you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please I would request you to kindly subscribe and support this channel. Alright, so let's talk about the fender. So this is the Polisport fender, and this I have bought it from the Finks Moto, which is in Kamanali. Finks Moto is very popular for storing all the off-road stuff. In fact, you can find this with the Bike and Biker also, but they were having the white color one. I in fact wanted to go for the orange, so which was out of stock at the Bike and Biker. So then I got in touch with the Finks Moto. Called up, I spoke with Rafa from Finks Moto. I told him that I cannot visit. Can I place an order online? I'll make the payment. He helped. He's cooperated on that, and then he downloaded it to the app Bike Point. That's where most of your work will get done. App Bike Point is also in Kamanali, and those are the people who will help you in installing this fender. So guys, we are at the APT Bike Point, which is in Kamanali, to drop my bike here to get the fender installed, and this is my 390 Adventure. And this is the APT Bike Point, and here you can get the clamp installed. I have bought the fender. I have reached quite early here. The shop will open at 10 o'clock. We're waiting for Thompson, so I'll speak to Thompson. I'll explain him what is my requirement, and then I'll leave from here, because it's going to take somewhere like 5 to 6 hours. That's what he told. Alright, we have the fender here, and this actually Rafa from Finks Moto has downloaded it. I have paid him the money online, and this is how the fender looks, and this is going to go on a 390 Adventure. Alright folks, so let me show you how the fender looks on the motorbike, and you can see I went for the orange color. Just it might be little out of the box, because most of the people with the white and orange combination bike, they go for the white fender, but I thought the orange will look better. I feel this looks better. What do you think? Just put it in the comment section. So this is how the bike looks with the fender on. Just let me show you. Yeah, let me give you a closer look. Yeah, so as I was talking about, so this stock fender what you get, right, so that's been chopped off, and this bit has been left, and it's kind of little bit shaky here, but let me see if this is really rattling, giving me a rattling noise. So far I couldn't make out anything, but if in case in the longer one if that happens, then probably I have to remove it off. That's one thing. And even in the rear also you can see that's been taken off, so you can see a bad look here, and with the fender on. So this is how the inside bit looks. Okay, and this is how the top, this part looks, and you usually have the number plate here, which has been shifted onto the windshield. This is this angle. You ask me, why did you really go for this change? Well, first thing is, to be honest, I want to give a better look to the bike. The way it looks with this fender, as you can see, I think it has really taken a step above the way it looks. That's one. And secondly, yes, if in case you're going for any of the off-roads wherein there's too much of slush and all, it actually makes way, because you do not have any hindrance over there. So even if there's too much of a slush, you're going into too much of slush and all, it's really not going to bother you much. But yes, on the flip side, it might impact your radiator a bit. You need something, then you have to compromise on something. So with respect to the cost which is involved as part of the entire stuff, your fender will cost you 4,100 rupees. For the installation, he has charged me somewhere like 1,500 rupees, because he has to get the clamp done, then he has to chop off the existing fender, then he has to fix it, everything. So those are the efforts which are involved, and it takes a little bit of a time also to completely give a proper finish to it. You can get it done in any of the garages provided you know about it, but otherwise I would recommend the APT Bike Point. That's one. Or you can reach out to Bike and Biker. They also will definitely help you in getting the entire installation done on your motorcycle. Should you really go for this modification? Well, I'll leave it up to you. I mean, in terms of how you really look at your motorcycle. I'm someone who always look to see what I can add it onto the motorcycle to look better, or from the performance oriented, or from whatever ways are possible. So I always try to do something onto the motorcycle. But yeah, if in case you're very much sticking to the city and the highways, or to the light moderate trails, probably yes, definitely you need not to really go for this one. Someone who do a very enduro kind of a trails, etc., where you go into slash, play around with it and something, yes, definitely you can look out for this. But is it a worth of the investment? Yes, because I see the product to be very sturdy. It in fact, the design is top notch. Alright friends, that's pretty much I wanted to cover and bring it to you guys in this particular video. I thought I'll share it with you, as few of you might be interested to know more details about this fender on the 390 Adventure. So I hope I covered as much information as possible, and I hope that this video has provided quite an understanding the benefits, where do you buy it, what are the installation changes, etc., and I hope this really helps you a lot. Do let me know in the comment section what do you think about this modification, and if in case you have any questions, also put it in the comment section. You can also connect with me on my Instagram handle, Raj RideStories, and for more such videos, you know what to do. Subscribe and stay tuned. Thank you very much for watching this video. Live life, keep traveling, follow your passion. Signing off, Raj. I'll see you again in the next one. Take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.